To use 17Track Order with Shopify for tracking shipments, follow these steps. Sign up for 17Track. Go to 17track.net and create an account if you don't have one. This will allow you to integrate and track multiple courier services. Install the 17Track Shopify app. On Shopify, go to the Shopify App Store and search for 17Track. Install the official 17Track order tracking app. Configure the app. Once installed, open the app from your Shopify admin. You will need to set up your shipping settings and connect it with your store. The app will automatically pull in tracking information for your orders. Enable tracking. After customers place orders, the app will automatically import tracking numbers from your fulfillment or shipping provider. 17Track will then pull up the relevant tracking details. Customer notifications. The app can send automated tracking notifications to customers via email or SMS once their order is shipped. Customers can track their shipments directly from the email link or via your store. Tracking dashboard. You can track multiple shipments through the 17Track dashboard within Shopify. It provides real-time updates for every order, which you can view or share with customers.